chicken Angara. The use of charcoal in cooking is very interesting, as it not only cooks the food but also gives flavor to the dish from its smoke. Hello and welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. My name is Afraz and now I'm going to show you a very sumptuous recipe of chicken Angara. Yes, it is a chicken with hot and spicy masala and smoked with the flavor of charcoal. So let's quickly go ahead and run through the ingredients to make chicken Angara. I would require chicken on the bone, brown onion, yogurt, tomato puree, fresh coriander chopped, red chili paste, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, almond paste, fresh cream, salt, ghee, cloves, oil. So to start with, first I'm going to marinate the chicken. So here in a large bowl, I'm going to take the chicken. To the chicken I'm going to add yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and powdered masala, little turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, roasted cumin powder, and garam masala powder. To get a nice color, I'm going to use some red chili paste, and last, salt. I'm going to mix this marination nicely with the chicken so that all the pieces are well coated. Now as you can see, it is well marinated and I've added all the grounded masala into it. So now this will go in a refrigerator to marinate for around an hour. Now after marinating this for an hour, now we'll cook this. So for that, I'm going to heat up a pan. To the pan, I'm going to add some oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add the marinated chicken. Now once you have added the chicken with the marination, cook the chicken with the marination till it releases all oil and the masala is cooked. So till the time the chicken is getting cooked with the masala, I'm going to grind the brown onion into a coarse paste. So now as you can see, all the oil has released and the masala is cooked. Next, I'm going to add tomato puree. Give it a nice stir. And now I'm going to cook the tomato puree with the masala for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now after cooking the tomatoes for around 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to add the brown onion paste. Mix this nicely. At this stage, I'm going to add little water to adjust the consistency. Next, I'm going to add some almond paste. This gives nice richness as well as taste. And now also I'm going to put a coal on heat. So now the chicken is cooked with the gravy, but the angar is still missing. So I'm going to put the coal and give it the smoke flavor to the chicken. So for that I'm going to take a steel bowl on which I'm going to place this hot coal. Put this in the center of the pan Add some cloves and drizzle some ghee and cover it with a lid. Now after 2 minutes, I'm going to open the lid. Still you can see the smoke coming out from the coal. Now lastly, I'm going to finish up with some fresh cream. Give it a last stir. Some fresh coriander.